Good morning, students. Today we will see application of electrolysis. Under application of electrolysis, we have to study electroplating with metals, electrorefining of metals, and then electrometallurgy, which is also called extraction of metals. So we are going to start with the first application, that is electroplating with metals. Now what do you mean by electroplating? Electroplating is the process of coating of an expensive metals like gold, silver or nickel on an inexpensive metal made of iron with the help of electricity. So any ordinary metal can be electroplated with expensive metal like gold and silver. It is done for the purpose of decoration or can be also done to prevent from rusting. So here we are going to start electroplating an article with silver. An article is given. Say the article taken here is spoon, and we want to electroplate that spoon with silver. That is, coating of silver is to be done on that. For this we have to take a container with the salt solution of silver. And the salt solution of silver which is taken as the electrolyte is sodium argentocyanide, NaAgCN2. Other salt of silver like silver nitrate we cannot take because the reaction in that case will be very fast. So the deposition or the coating of silver on the spool will not be uniform. So we have to take the salt of silver, that is sodium argentocyanide. Now here you can see in this container the two electrodes taken are the strip of silver which is to be connected to the positive terminal to act as the anode. On the other hand, the article to be electroplated, which is spoon here, is connected to the cathode or the negative terminal of the battery to act as the cathode. So always remember one thing, the article which has to be coated with any expensive metal should always be connected with the negative terminal, should be taken as the cathode. If knife is to be electroplated, then knife is taken as the cathode. Now we know that when we pass current to this solution, the dissociation of the salt will take place. And here sodium argentocyanide will be dissociated to give Na plus, Ag plus and 2Cl minus, and water at the same time will also be ionized to give H plus and OH minus. Now if you see, this solution contains three positive ions, sodium ion, silver ion and hydrogen ion, but out of these three we find that silver ion is below sodium ion and hydrogen ion in the electrochemical series. So at the cathode it will be silver ion that will be discharged first. So we can write at cathode silver ion Ag plus ion will gain one electron and will be converted into silver. That is, silver ion from the solution will be deposited on the spoon. Now at the cathode, at anode, the negatively charged ion is to be discharged, but we know that since the anode is an active electrode, instead of this negatively charged getting discharged, it will be anode that will take part in the reaction. That is, here silver will lose the electron and will come into the solution in the form of silver ion. The reaction would be Ag will lose the electron and it will come into the solution as silver ion. So here you can find this silver will come back into the solution as silver ion. So from one side silver ion will be deposited at the cathode, and from the other side silver ion will come back into the solution. So this continues to take place till there is silver strip connected to the anode. Our next is electroplating of an article with nickel. So next is to electroplate an article with nickel. Again we will take the same setup, but the solution will be changed this time. The solution will be nickel sulfate solution. Remember, always the electrolyte, that is the solution to be taken, should be a salt of the metal to be electroplated. Since we are going to electroplate with metal, the solution must contain the metal in it. Here the nickel is the metal, so solution is nickel sulfate solution. So anode will be made of nickel, and here knife we are going to electroplate. So knife is to be connected to the cathode or to the negative terminal. So electrolyte here is nickel sulfate solution. Now again nickel sulfate will be dissociated to give Ni2 plus and SO4 2 minus, water into H plus OH minus ion. Now at cathode it will be nickel ion that will be discharged first. So this nickel ion will be discharging first at the cathode, where it will be depositing on the knife. You find the deposition takes place and it will be a thick coating formed on the knife. Now at anode, again though we have the two negatively charged ions, but none of these are going to discharge, because nickel once again is an active electrode, so it will be nickel that is losing the electron first. So Ni loses electron to convert into Ni2 plus. That is, once again this nickel ion will come back into the solution. This process continues to take place, and we find finally a thick deposition or coating of nickel on the surface of knife. So you can also try it, and your homework will be to learn these two electroplating process. Thank you.